Belgium. The word alone conjures images of cobbled streets, medieval architecture, and of course, chocolate. But what is it about Belgian chocolate that makes it so special, so revered around the world? But it's more than just an image. It's a feeling, a sensation that takes hold the moment you step into a Belgian chocolaterie. The experience begins the instant you cross the threshold. The scent of rich, dark chocolate hangs heavy in the air, a siren song to your senses. It's an aroma that promises delight and indulgence, drawing you deeper into the world of Belgian chocolate. Glass cases gleam, showcasing intricate truffles, pralines, and sculptures, each piece a testament to the artistry of Belgian chocolatiers. These are not just sweets, they are masterpieces, crafted with precision and passion. Stepping inside one of these temples of chocolate is an experience in itself. The ambiance, the decor, everything is designed to enhance your journey into chocolate bliss. The air is thick with anticipation as you browse the neatly arranged rows of chocolate, each piece more tempting than the last. It's a moment of decision, a delightful dilemma of which exquisite piece to try first. It's a symphony of sweetness, a feast for the eyes and the palate. Each bite is a new note in a melody of flavors, a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. The Belgians have elevated chocolate from a simple treat to an art form, a source of national pride. Their dedication to quality and craftsmanship is evident in every piece. From the iconic brands like Godiva and Neuhaus to the hidden gems tucked away in ancient alleyways, Belgian chocolate is an experience that will stay with you long after you've had your last bite. Each brand, each shop offers a unique take on this beloved confection. It's a journey into a world of pure indulgence, a celebration of the senses, and a testament to the Belgian passion for perfection. Every tasting is an event, a moment to savor and remember. So come with us as we delve into the heart of Belgian chocolate, exploring its history, its craft, and the sheer magic that makes it so irresistible. Discover the stories behind the flavors, the traditions that have shaped this delectable art form. The story of Belgian chocolate is as rich and layered as the treat itself. It is a tale of passion, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of perfection that has spanned centuries. It's a tale that begins surprisingly not with cocoa beans, but with colonialism. When Belgium colonized Congo, it set the stage for a chocolate revolution. Cocoa beans, native to South America, found their way to European shores through the bustling trade routes established during this period. It was the 17th century, and chocolate, consumed primarily as a beverage, was already a luxury enjoyed by the elite. The rich and powerful would gather in elegant cafes to savor this exotic drink. Belgium, strategically located with a port at Antwerp, became a hub for cocoa trade. The port was a gateway, bringing in cocoa beans from distant lands. The country's confectioners, known for their skills in sugar processing, saw an opportunity. Experimentation began. New techniques were developed, blending cocoa with other ingredients to create unique flavors and textures. And slowly, Belgian chocolate began to distinguish itself from its European counterparts. The meticulous craftsmanship and innovative methods set Belgian chocolate apart. The invention of the chocolate bar in the late 19th century marked a turning point. This innovation transformed chocolate from a drink into a solid treat. Suddenly, chocolate was no longer a luxury reserved for the wealthy, but a treat accessible to all. It became a beloved snack for children and adults alike. Belgian chocolatiers, with their innovative spirit and commitment to quality, were quick to capitalize on this. They refined their techniques and expanded their offerings. Names like Neuhaus and Godiva emerged, setting the stage for Belgium's global dominance in the world of chocolate. These brands became synonymous with luxury and excellence. The story of Belgian chocolate is a fascinating blend of history, ingenuity, and a passion for perfection. It is a legacy that has been passed down through generations. It's a story that continues to evolve today, with new generations of chocolatiers pushing the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship. They honor the traditions of the past while embracing the innovations of the future, ensuring that Belgian chocolate remains a symbol of quality and indulgence. No exploration of Belgian chocolate would be complete without mentioning Jean Neuhaus, a name synonymous with pralines, those delicate chocolate shells filled with decadent fillings. In 1912, Neuhaus, a trained pharmacist, revolutionized the world of chocolate with his groundbreaking creation. Neuhaus's innovation was twofold. First, he replaced the medicinal coating of his grandfather's cough drops with a smooth, luxurious layer of chocolate. Second, he envisioned these chocolate shells not as mere medicine containers, but as vessels for something far more delightful, a creamy, flavorful filling. Thus, the praline was born, instantly captivating the taste buds of Brussels and quickly spreading its delicious influence throughout the world. Neuhaus's ingenious creation not only solidified Belgium's place as a chocolate powerhouse, but also laid the foundation for the country's reputation for producing some of the most exquisite and innovative chocolate creations. Today, pralines remain a cornerstone of Belgian chocolate, a testament to Jean Neuhaus's enduring legacy and a symbol of the country's dedication to the art of chocolate making. What sets Belgian chocolate apart from the rest of the world's offerings? The answer lies in a combination of factors: high-quality ingredients, meticulous craftsmanship, and an unwavering commitment to tradition that has been passed down through generations. Belgian law mandates a minimum cocoa content of 35% in all its chocolate, ensuring a richness and depth of flavor often absent in mass-produced varieties. This legal requirement guarantees that every piece of Belgian chocolate delivers a robust and satisfying taste experience. But it's not just about the ingredients, it's also about the process. Belgian chocolatiers approach their craft with an artist's eye, hand-tempering the chocolate to achieve a perfect shine and snap. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that each piece not only tastes exquisite, but also looks like a work of art. The conching process, a slow, meticulous grinding of the cocoa beans, is given special attention, often lasting for days to develop the smooth, velvety texture that Belgian chocolate is renowned for. This extended conching process allows the flavors to fully develop and meld together, creating a harmonious and luxurious taste. And then there's the innovation that keeps Belgian chocolate at the forefront of the industry. Belgian chocolatiers are constantly pushing the boundaries of flavor and design, incorporating exotic ingredients, experimenting with textures, and creating visually stunning masterpieces that are almost too beautiful to eat. Almost. This spirit of innovation ensures that Belgian chocolate remains exciting and ever-evolving. From the traditional balloting boxes filled with an assortment of pralines to the whimsical chocolate sculptures that grace shop windows, Belgian chocolate is a feast for the senses. Each piece tells a story of tradition, craftsmanship, and creativity. It's this combination of quality, tradition, and innovation that has cemented Belgium's place as the world's premier chocolate destination, a place where every bite is an experience in pure indulgence. Whether you are a casual chocolate lover or a connoisseur, Belgian chocolate offers something truly special for everyone.